All right. So I'm out here today. At least it's not burning hot. My dog is barking over there, but it's muggy as hell out here. I hadn't been out here that long, and I'm just sweating my butt off. Guy came by and dropped off a couple of chainsaws. It's time. That's that time of the year, and he wants these things looked at so that when he's out in the field, he doesn't have to worry about them. And he can't remember what's wrong with them. I think he has a third one he's going to bring. One of them didn't work. One of them wouldn't run, and he said out of the other two, one was real low RPM, and the other one, I can't remember. I'm just going to have to go through them all, right? Well, let's start with the first one, and we'll see what's going on. So, before we get started, remember to check out our website, hotshotpowerequipment.com. You can check out our products, including the lawnmower blade balancers and the oil drain tubes, and some pretty cool shirts there too. So, let's get started. Alright, so here are the two chainsaws. They're both identical. Both of them are the Echo, the CS310s. These are actually pretty decent chainsaws. One of them didn't even have a blade on it, so I'm sure there's something wrong with it. Let's take a look at this real quick. Well, there's gas in it. There's a little gas. This one's almost out. Well, let's I'm going to take this down and see if we can get it to crank up. Alright. Just got to watch my back. Down somewhere. Week and a half, I have back surgery. Woohoo! So I'm trying to get all this little stuff done for these guys before that happens. After that, then I'm not going to work on anything for quite a while, huh? Alright, that's on. Choke is on. Okay, well, it cranked right up. So the problem is not with the engine, but you can see the blade was just barely turning. It just felt like it's binding somewhere, so I need to take this cover off and we'll take a look at the clutch. can't feel anything. I'm going to clean this up a little bit, but I think they just had the chain just, I mean, it was really tight. It must have been just binding it somewhere. But then again, I saw some nicks and scratches up here on the bar. So I'll take a look at that. Maybe it's binding up here. Well, no, I don't feel it. Alright, I'm going to leave the chain somewhat loose. And see what happens here. That was it. They just had it tightened way down too much, so before I give it back to them, I'm just going to clean it up a bit. Is it sharp? Yeah, it actually feels pretty sharp too. Alright. I'll leave it tight. So, yeah, hard to tell them. That was just, it's caked up in there, but they had this sucker on so tight that it would not budge. Alright. Now this one. Let's see if it'll even crank. I'm going to take it down on the ground. Everything's on, choke's on. Yeah, you can hear this one, it just bogs down. It looks like there's only one bolt on this one for some reason. So that's all it was. Oh God. Okay, I should have known. Get that bogging down sound. But it was kind of hard to tell because there's no chain on this, right? But usually with the chain on and you're doing that and the chain's not moving, then you know that your safety is triggered. So I believe that is it. Well, that was it for these two. You can say it was just a quick once over, and the engines are running good. He was saying the chains were having a hard time, but with both of them I had to check, and it was the safety on it. they were engaged, you know, you just pop them off, and one of them, the blade, it was just so tense, so tight, it would barely move. But that's it. So it's just a little basic TLC on these things. Always check that. There, it's engaged. It's not going to go. It's just going to burn up your clutch or melt your plastic housing there. And there you go. Alright, so that is it for this very short video. I hope you got something out of this video. I mean, some of it's just common sense, right? So I guess that is it. So I'll quit rambling, and once again, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch for my next video.